Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I am going to be cash stuffing my wallet for my, I give myself an allowance of $200 a week to stuff 6 categories. That is groceries that I purchase for me and my husband. That's just when I go to the store. You know, he also has access to our checking account. You know, if he needs to pick up anything, he has access to that also. And Dollar Tree, personal, household, I give myself for spending allowance. And what's the other category? Oh, and I give myself a dining out allowance. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? Yes, it's been a while since I have stuffed my cash envelopes. I haven't stuffed them since my birthday week, which August the 28th. I didn't stuff them because we were going on a little trip for my birthday. And then when I came back, some things happened. My husband forgot to go to the bank, and then, you know, life happened. So it's been about a month since I have stuffed my cash envelopes. Let me just tell you guys, I have truly missed carrying cash because it has made a big difference. So this is a little motivation for you guys. There still is beauty in getting off track, because guess what it has done? It has made me want to stuff my cash envelopes even more. So this is going to help me finish out the last quarter of the year, October, November, and December, stronger than I was before I took my little break. So what I noticed since I've started back using my debit card is I normally still stay on the same budget, but this time I was just real relaxed. I overspent. I gained 2 pounds. My sleeping habits were off. My sleeping routine was off, and I just felt miserable. Why? Because I have a $15 a week dining out budget, and by me swiping the debit card, I spent more than $15. And by spending more than $15, I gained 2 pounds. And by gaining 2 pounds, that affected the way I felt, and the way I felt affected the way I slept. So one day I just got up. I said, okay, no more getting off track. I'm going to stay with this cash envelope system if I have to just, stuff it off camera. No more getting off track because I felt miserable. But now that this last week, I did stuff my envelopes off camera and I got back on track, and yes, I love it. So whoever invented this cash envelope system, thank you. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'm going to unstuff my wallet, and then I'm going to restuff them. So how has you guys week or month been going? Yeah, I got to get back on track and stay on track. It's okay to get off track, but just don't stay off track. Of course, if you don't want to. Now, if you want to stay off track, you can stay off track, but I don't want to stay off track because I like the benefit of the cash envelope system. My my savings account is, growing because I'm disciplined, and, I just see a lot of benefits of the cash envelope system, especially since I've gotten off track. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'll put on the screen what I give myself for each week for each each category. So household, of course, I give myself $10, and I spent $6, so I have $4 left. And another thing I stopped doing was tracking my spending. I got to start back doing that. October, the last week in September, I'll be tracking my spending. So I track my spending for this $200 right here. That has helped tremendously too. So that's $4. And the next category is personal. I didn't buy anything for personal. That's $10. And spending, I have $2 left. I took the $100 and went ahead, some of it, and purchased my respiratory license. Time for me to renew my license. If you didn't know, I'm a registered respiratory therapist, so I used that. And Dollar Tree, I didn't do much because they don't have a lot of inventory. So I had $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8 left from Dollar Tree, and I give myself a $15 budget per week. And next is restaurants. I didn't do too bad this week. I only spent $5. And groceries, I actually spent almost all my groceries because I did a video showing you how to prepare a 7-day meal using the $50 grocery budget for 2 people. I'll link that video up above. That was requested by one of my beautiful supporters. I think her name is, I don't know her name. I forgot her name. I do know her name, but I forgot it. But I put it up here on the screen. She requested that video, and I thought that was a great video. Since I do only do $50 a week, but like I explained to her, that's just the $50 that I spend. My husband still has excess, and he buys groceries too. So I just wanted to put that video together in case someone did only just have $50 a week. I showed you ways to create several meals. And the last, that's it. So let's see how much I had left over for the week. So, you know, I normally do $200, so let's see how much I had left. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So I had $35, so I spent $165. So this $35, my rollover goes to whatever high priority sinking fund I'm focused on at the moment. So prior to me taking a break, I was focused on my daughter's wedding. If you've been following me, you heard me talk about her wedding. I'll insert some pictures here. It was beautiful. Everything was wonderful. Everything was paid in full. She may owe somebody, but the wedding was paid in cash. And my part that I paid was paid in cash. I don't owe anyone. That's the beauty of it. That's wonderful. And yeah, so that was what I was focused on, the wedding and my respiratory license, which is $130. I paid that. So now I have a new sinking fund, life as it would happen. I'm a grandmother, so I have a daughter that was laid off due to COVID ever since March of 2020, and she's just not trying to get transition back into working, but what she has to do is find a job that accommodates her children's school schedule. So she really needs something like 8 to 4. And at this point right here, she hadn't been able to find anything because she wants to be able to drop her children off and pick them up herself. I told her that shows that you're growing up. So I was the same way. I did not like to burden people with keep my kids. And plus, if you pick your own, pick your own kids up from school and drop them off and pick them up from school, those people that you normally would use to help you, they'll be available for like on weekends. That way you don't burn out your help. That's what I did. So I tried to, pick up my own kids during the week. That way if I wanted to go hang out or something on the weekend, they didn't mind because they hadn't seen the kid. You hadn't really bothered them with babysitting the whole week. So that's what I tried to teach her, and I think she's catching on finally. It took her a minute because she had that spirit of entitlement. I prayed for God to remove that because those are her children. I'm just a grandmother. I'm not entitled to do anything. So she's growing up. Yay! Let's applaud Jesus for that because he is the reason for it. So, like I was saying, so the new envelope is, let me show you. I agreed to help her with daycare for her son until she gets on her feet. And daycare is $155 a week because she was going to go ahead and pull him out of daycare because she really couldn't afford it. But I told her, no, you finally got him where he stopped crying, crying every time you drop him off. So let's go ahead and keep him in so I can afford to help her right now. So I'm going to pay the daycare until she gets on her feet. So I'm going to put that $35 in daycare. So that'll help me with this week's payment of $155. I may just go ahead and just pay it monthly because I don't have time to be going over there and paying on $155 every week. So yeah. So that's my new envelope. So that's where my rollover money goes. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. I have rambled long enough. So, okay. I forgot the dimensions. So we just gonna roll with it. I thought I had it wrote down. So household, $15. We're gonna do a 10 and a 5. Personal, $10. Gonna do a $10 bill. Spending, we're gonna do $10 bills, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Spending. Dollar Tree, we're gonna do $15, so I'm gonna try to do a 10 and 5 ones. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay, 2 snaps for me. Crafty Budgeter, I picked up 5 ones. Dollar Tree. I love how all the budgeters have their own little brand and things that they do on their channel. That's great. Restaurants, I'm gonna do a 10 and 5 ones, because you know I be liking my milkshake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's another thing. I started back drinking too many milkshakes. I gotta stop that. And last but not least is groceries. I got 2 20s. Oh, I should have 2 5s. I messed up somewhere. I think I know where I messed up. Household is not 15. I dropped it down to 10. So that's where the other 5 came from. So we got 20, 40, 45, 50. So that's it. So yeah, I hope this video was inspiring to you guys. Yes, getting off track, it actually does help. That's if you have the right mindset to get back on track. So yeah. So this is my cash stuffing for paycheck number 4 of September. So this is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Happy fall. Happy budgeting.